You guys are here because you have challenges or questions that you want answers to.
Now, how many of you guys in this room know the differences between DTF versus DTG?
Because you only have one chance to make a first impression. Even if it costs more, so what? Price it, up your price.
I want to tell that story because last year was my first year at DecoSummit. Yep. And I met this wonderful lady, Janelle Durham, from Louisville, Kentucky. I had no confidence in turning on my Ricoma machine. Janelle helped me to start something that I never thought I could. And it has been an amazing year.
I'm probably not going to be going out making big embroidery jobs, but I will start doing patches. Without coming here, I would have never turned my machine on. So there you go. One step at a time.
DecoSummit is very different than a typical trade show that we attend. It is truly a summit where everybody is here to network and learn. So DecoSummit, it really allows the attendees to get that one-on-one experience and learn from industry experts. And again, Ricoma does it very differently in that they're one of the only, if not the only, manufacturer does both equipment for embroidery and printing.